Ẹ káàbọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. I welcome you to another edition of Learn Yoruba with Taiwo. Orúkọ mi ni Taiwo. My name is Taiwo. Today, I want to show you some of the greetings around the New Year and Christmas celebration because it's that time of the year and Christmas is in the year. I will look at it in 3 parts. First, greetings in preparation for the festivity, greetings on the actual date, and the greetings immediately after the day. So, let's go. Usually, the greetings towards any festive season in Yoruba is prayer to see the festive day and beyond. You will hear, "A kú ìpalẹ̀mọ́ ọdún o." Ìpalẹ̀mọ́ means preparation, while ọdún means festivity or celebration. A kú ìpalẹ̀mọ́ ọdún o. Ẹ kú ìpalẹ̀mọ́ ọdún o. Now, the difference between the first and the second is that "ha" stand for we or us, while "ẹ" stand for you. A kú ìpamọ́ ọdún o. Ìpamọ́ also means preparation. Ẹ kú ìpamọ́ ọdún o. Ìpamọ́ also means preparation, as I've said earlier. Ẹ̀mí wa yóò làájá o. Ẹ̀mí wa yóò làájá o. Àmín o. This can be interpreted as we will see the end of it. Ẹ̀mí wa means soul, our soul. Ẹ̀mí, soul. But in this statement, it means we. Also, ìpamọ́ is the short form of ìpalẹ̀mọ́. They essentially means the same thing. Olúwa mú wa làájá o. Àmín. It's similar to the last greetings or prayer. It means God will see us through the year. God will see us through the year. Á bá wa láyé o. Àmín o. Literally means we will be alive during the period. A ó rópin ọdún láyọ̀ o. Àmín. A ó rópin ọdún láyọ̀ o. Àmín. That is, we shall see the end of the festive period. We shall see the end of the festive period. A ò ní ṣe é nínú ìnira o. Àmín o. A ò ní ṣe é nínú ìnira o. Àmín o. This means we will not celebrate in sorrow or pain. Ayọ̀ la ó fi ṣe o. Àmín. Ayọ̀ la ó fi ṣe o. Àmín. That is, we shall celebrate it with joy is the literary meaning of ayọ̀ la ó fi ṣe. Ayọ̀ la ó fi ṣe. We shall celebrate it with joy. Ideally, I will say, a kú ìpalẹ̀mọ́ ọdún o, and add 1 or 2 of the prayers above. For example, a kú ìpalẹ̀mọ́ ọdún o. Ẹ̀mí wa yóò làájá o. Or, ẹ kú ìpamọ́ ọdún o. Á bá wa láyé o. Ayọ̀ la ó fi ṣe o. Àmín o. The response will always be o for the greetings, and àmín o is for prayer. Now, during this festive period, you will hear greetings like a kú ọdún o. This means happy celebration. A kú ọdún o. It means happy celebration. A kú ìyèdún o. it means the same thing. Ọdún á yabo fún wa o, àmín. Ọdún á yabo fún wa o, àmín. Literally, the year will be fruitful. The year will be fruitful. Ọdún á yabo fún wa o. Àṣèyí ṣàmọ́dún o, àmín o. Means we have celebrated this year, we shall celebrate the next year. Ẹ̀mí wa tó ṣèyí á ṣẹ̀mí o, àmín o. Meaning we have celebrated this year, we shall celebrate the new year. Ọdún ayọ̀ lá jẹ́ fún wa o, àmín o. It will be a good year for us. Ọdún ayọ̀ lá jẹ́ fún wa o, àmín o. That is, it will be a good year for us. Ọdún á yabo fún wa o, àmín. This means the year will be productive. The year will be productive. Ojú wa máa rọ́dún o, àmín. Ojú wa máa rọ́dún o, àmín. That is, we shall celebrate more years. We shall celebrate more years. Ẹ̀mí wa á ṣe púpọ̀ láyé o, àmín. Ẹ̀mí wa á ṣe púpọ̀ láyé o, àmín. That is another way of saying we shall see many years to come. Ọdún yìí á san wá o, àmín. Ọdún yìí á san wá o, àmín. That is, it will be a good year for us. It will be a good year for us. Like we do for the greeting before the festive period, we say, A kú ọdún o, and A kú ìyèdún, and add one or two of the prayer above. For example, A kú ọdún o, A kú ìyèdún, àṣèyí ṣàmọ́dún o. Or we can as well say, A kú ọdún o, A kú ìyèdún, ọdún á yabo fún wa o, ojú wa á máa rọ́dún o. We can also say, A kú pọ̀pọ̀ ṣìnṣìn ọdún. Yes, let's take it one syllable at a time. Pọ̀pọ̀ ṣìnṣìn. Pọ̀pọ̀ ṣìnṣìn. Let's use it in greeting. A kú pọ̀pọ̀ ṣìnṣìn ọdún o. A kú pọ̀pọ̀ ṣìnṣìn ọdún o. Ọdún á yabo fún wa o. Now, after the festivity, we greet, A kú àṣekù ọdún o. A kú ọdún àná o. A kú ayọ̀ ọdún o. Finally, let's look at words used around Christmas. Finally, let's look at words used around Christmas. Christmas, we call it Kérésìmesì in Yoruba. Kérésìmesì. Father Christmas or Santa Claus. Baba Kérésì. Baba Kérésì. Christmas. Ọdún kékeré. We call it Ọdún kékeré. It's usually called a smaller celebration, kékeré, when compared with the New Year festival, which is observed 1 week after Christmas. Now, there are several songs for this period, and common among them is Kérésìmesì ló mà dé o, ẹ̀yin ènìyàn, ẹ̀yọ̀, ẹ̀yọ̀, ẹ fìjó sí i. Kérésìmesì yìí mà dé o, ẹ̀yin ènìyàn, ẹ̀yọ̀, ẹ̀yọ̀, ẹ fìjó sí i o. Kérésìmesì ló mà dé o, ẹ̀yin ènìyàn, ẹ̀yọ̀, ẹ̀yọ̀, ẹ fìjó sí i. Kérésìmesì ló mà dé o, ẹ̀yin ènìyàn, ẹ̀yọ̀, ẹ̀yọ̀, ẹ fìjó sí i o. Now, ẹ̀yọ̀ means rejoice. Ẹ̀yọ̀ means rejoice. Ẹ fìjó sí i means dance. Dance to it. Dance to it. So, enjoy your celebration. You can check several of my videos on Yoruba language. Simply subscribe to Learn Yoruba with Taiwo and click on the notification button. Ó dàbọ̀.